Welcome back to this channel, guys. In this video, you will learn how to link your YouTube channel to your Facebook page. On your profile, click the menu, then go to your page profile. Tap this three dot button and tap action button. Choose sign up in here and then tap next. Just go to your YouTube channel and copy the link of your channel like so. Go back to your Facebook and just paste the link in here and then click save. You may check the results here in view as, and that's how you link your YouTube channel to your Facebook page. Hope it helped, guys. Please do like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.